You're watching News 8 on WROC.
CPA Scott Adair is with us from the New York State Society of CPAs. Scott, always good to see you. Thanks for a few minutes.
Good to see you too, Mark.
All right, so we've got it on the graphic here. Tax season is over. We've put it behind us, with the exception of those who filed for an extension, but let's cast them aside for a moment. Tax season is done. What's next? Let's start here. You got a refund. What's next?
Yeah, big question mark regarding refunds is take a look at your budget. This is an opportunity to sort of reflect on that and maybe put some money aside if you got a refund. Put it in a savings account, put it into a college savings plan. Really reset where you're at, and also take a look at your W-4. If you don't want to get as large of a refund next year, you may want to change your withholdings.
Or vice versa. If you're looking for a larger refund, you can make an alternative adjustment as well.
Yes.
All right, let's go to the next one here. We owed money. What's next?
Yeah, so this is the tricky one. You really need to take a look at the return. Make sure you didn't have any one-time item, like you sold something and you had a capital gain last year that you had to pay tax on that you weren't expecting to. But if it's just from your standard dividends, interest, and wages, you may want to walk down to your payroll department and again take a look at your withholdings and adjust that withholding so that you're getting more taken out paycheck on a weekly basis or bi-weekly basis, whatever that may be, in order to save yourself the agony of having to cut a big check at the end of the year. Now, I know some people do like to have that big check cut at the end of the year and not give the government any additional money during the year. So personal preference.
Yeah, it really cuts both ways. You can increase your withholding or decrease your withholding depending upon your circumstances. Scott, all of this seems to be leading toward an overarching theme. You kind of touched on it, this idea of getting a reset right now. You've put tax season behind you, and maybe now's a good time to hit the reset button and take a big view of your finances, right?
Yeah, we settled up for 2021, and now we need to start looking ahead to 2022 tax filing season. Certainly take a look at your withholdings, take a look at the items that were on your tax return for any big ticket things that may change for this upcoming year. Certainly want to make sure that your budget's in place for the 22 fiscal years or 22 calendar year as well from that perspective.
All right, all good advice as always. Scott, thank you. We appreciate it.
Thanks, Mark.
If you missed any of this, we'll be sharing it online as well. As always, you'll find it at rochesterfirst.com.